You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this biblical character from the Genesis. If you want to learn more biblical names that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You can learn from the Hebrew pronunciation Tamar. Tamar. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation should be as Tamar. I know there is a river in England that's pronounced Tamar, hence probably the confusion. Yes, the Tamar pronunciation does exist, but it's much closer in Hebrew to say Tamar, Judah's wife and daughter of David, Tamar. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.